Namaste, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, in our session, we have talked about the lipids. What are the lipids? Lipids are heterogeneous group of organic compounds that are insoluble in water and soluble in non-polar organic solvents that naturally occur in most plants, animal organisms, such are used as a cell membrane components, energy storage molecules, and insulation and the hormones. What are the properties of the lipids? Lipids may be either liquid or non-crystalline solids at a room temperature. It is pure fats or oil are colorless, odorless, and the tasteless. They are they are energy rich organic molecules insoluble in water, uh, soluble in organic solvents like alcohol, chloroform, acetone, benzene. It has no ionic charges. It has solid triglycerol, have high portion of saturated fatty acids. Liquid triglycerol have high proportion of the unsaturated fatty acid. First is hydrolysis of triglycerol. Triglycerol, like any other ester, react with the water to form their carboxylic acid and the alcohol, a process known as a hydrolysis. Second one is the saponifications. Triglycerols may be hydrolyzed by the several procedures, the most common of the which utilize alkyl and the enzyme called lipase. Alkyl hydrolyzed saponifications because of products of the hydrolysis is termed saponification because one of the product of hydrolysis is the soap, and generally sodium or potassium salts of fatty acids. Hydrogenation. The carbon-carbon double bond is unsaturated fatty acid can be hydrogenated by the reacting with hydrogen to produce saturated fatty acids, and the halogenation is our fourth. Unsaturated fatty acid, whether they are free or combined as a ester. In fact, fats and the oil react with the halogen by addition at the double bonds. The reaction result is decolorization of halogen solution. Our fifth one is ranicity. The term rancid is applied to any fat and oil that develops a disagreeable odor. Hydrolysis and the oxidation reactions are responsible for causing rancidity. Oxidative rancidity occur in triglycerol containing unsaturated fatty acids. Structure of lipids. Lipids are made up of element carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but have a much lower portions of water than other molecules such as a carbohydrate. Unlike polysaccharide and protein, lipid are not polymers. They lack a repeating monomeric units. They are made of two molecules, glycerol and the fatty acid. Glycerol molecules is made up for three carbon atoms, which hydroxyl groups attached to its hydrogen atom occupying the remaining positions. Fatty acid consists of the acid groups at one end of the molecules and the hydrocarbons chains, which is usually denoted by the letter R. The way of saturated and unsaturated. A fatty acid is saturated if every possible bond is made up with the hydrogen atom, such as there exist no carbon-carbon bonds. Unsaturated fatty acids, on the other hand, do contain carbon-carbon bond. Monounsaturated fatty acid have one carbon-carbon bond, and the polyunsaturated have more than carbon-carbon bond. Structure of triglycerides. Triglycerides are lipids which consist of one glycerol molecules bond with three fatty acid molecules. The bond between molecules are covalent and the called ester bond. They are formed during a condensation reactions. The charges are evenly distributed around the molecules, so hydrogen bond not form with water molecules make them insoluble in water. Classification of lipids are: first is simple lipids. In simple lipids are divided into category: fat and oil and waxes. Fat and oils which yield fatty acids and glycerol upon a hydrolysis. Waxes which are yield fatty acid and the long chain alcohol upon the hydrolysis. Now we will talk about the fat and oils. Both types of compounds are called triglycerol because they are ester composed of three fatty acids joined to glycerol, triglycerol, and the alcohol. The difference is on the basis of the physical states at the room temperature. It is customary to call a lipid a fat if it is solid at a 25 degrees Celsius and the oil if it is liquid the same temperature. These difference melting point reflecting differences the degree of unsaturation and the constitute fatty acid. Waxes. Wax is the ester of long chain alcohol or a fatty acid. The acid or alcohol normally found in waxes have chain for the order to 12 to 34 carbon atom in a length. Now our second one is the compound lipids. First is phospholipid and second category is glycolipids. Now talk about the phospholipids which yield fatty acids, glycerol, and amino alcohols, sphingosine, phosphoric acid, and the nitrogen containing alcohols upon hydrolysis. They may be glycerophospholipids and the sphingophospholipid depend upon the alcohol group present, glycerol and sphingosine. Second category is glycolipids, which yield fatty acids, sphingosine, and the glycerol and the carbohydrate upon hydrolysis. They are also a glycerol glycolipids and the sphingolipids depending upon the alcohol group present. Third one is derived lipids. Hydrolysis product of the simple compound lipid is called as a derived lipids. They include fatty acid, glycerol, sphingosine, and the steroid derivatives. Steroid derivatives are phenethine structures that are quite different from the lipid made up of the fatty acid. Functions are lipids functions are: it is established that the lipid play extremely important role in normal function of the cell wall. Not only lipid serves as the highly reduced storage from the energy, but they also play a mediate role in the structure of cell membrane and the organelle membrane. Lipid perform many functions such as energy storage, making biological membrane insolation, protection, protecting plant leaves for drying up, acting as a hormones, act as a structural components of the body and provide the hydrophobic barrier that permits paternization of the aqueous contents of the cell subcellular structure. Lipids are major sources of the energy and the animal. High lipid containing seeds. Activator of the enzyme glucose phosphate, steroid, CO, desaturases, and the monograses, beta hydroxylase requires phosphocholine methylase in the activation. So this is all about the liquid lipids, and we now will talk about the summary. First of all, I have told you about the what is the lipids. Now we will talk about the properties of the lipids, and after that I have told you structure of the lipids. Then I have told you about the classification of the lipids. Then after that I have told you about the function. So this is all about the lipids. And as exam point of view, first main is the you have to know about the structure of the lipids and classification of the lipids. Thank you so much.